Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pack of 2 packs of like 6 amp Dewalt kind of batteries, and these are just the different generic kind of version of them. But it's like these are 6 amp lithium batteries that are equivalent to like almost like 8 amp of the other ones. They got some good weight to them. They got the little button you can push on the front. You can see how charged they are. That looks like they came charged, which is nice. And I'm gonna try it in my most thing that uses the most power. Like, so if you have certain things, certain drills and things like that use a lot of power, this thing here, this is a vacuum cleaner. So vacuums are notorious for sucking up the amps. So especially if you want a good one. So here we go. So it just clips in just like my Dewalt does. And I can have my power here, and it's gonna work. And I can even do it on high out, and it's gonna work. Oh, push the wrong button. And it turns on the light, does the spinning, does everything that my vacuum needs to do. There we go. And I can vacuum. And that, oh man, that's picking up stuff. So with this, it even picked up a screw in there. Now let me turn it off. Okay. So you can see that is super powerful, and it has the ability to do that, and it does 6 amps, and it's going to just charge right on my Dewalt charger as well. So how super awesome is that? And it came with 2 of them, so we can keep things going for a very long time before we need to charge. So we are good. So these are awesome, great batteries, totally awesome. Just going to work just like the originals. So I'm going to say these are a total thumbs up for sure.